So a couple of weeks ago, I made a video saying that I've started reading Headfirst Java. Or well, the actual thing is that I wanted to become cracked and I wanted to get serious with Java because I had been programming in Java for a while, but I really wanted to know Java into details and become very good at it and know inner side of Java, like the core Java aspect of it, right? And I started reading this book called Headfirst Java, thinking that that's the book that everybody recommends when it comes to learning Java. Now, fast forward to today or yesterday when I was reading the book again, I was reading this chapter and was like mainly about object-oriented programming. But then when they were introducing it, it was lots of stories and trying to get me understand the reason why object-oriented programming might be a good thing. And then they were sort of just giving a story. And I mean, it's not just about the story. They don't really get straight to the point, in my opinion. And that's not to say that the book is bad. I feel like the book is very good for somebody who is not already a programmer and wants to start programming, or somebody who finds it difficult to learn very technical books. You know, those kind of people that say that, okay, they don't like reading the documentation or they find it very difficult reading the documentation and things like that. I feel like that's the kind of people that the book is mainly targeting. New programmers, new people who don't really know anything about programming and want to learn it, or people who find it very difficult to read a book full of only technical concepts, straight to the point, straight to the point, straight to the point. I know that a lot of people find those kind of things boring, but for me, it's kind of the inverse, where I'm finding this one of trying to give me a story, trying to make it easy for me. This is rather feeling more boring for me. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the book is not good. I'm saying the book is not for me in the current situation that I'm in. Like I've said, I have done Java programming for some time now. I am quite okay. I have a basic understanding of Java, and my goal was to get a very deep understanding of it, right? So that's where my concern is coming from, right? Right now, the way I plan to approach it is by just reading the book through because I don't like switching books and things like that. I still want to read it. I still want to finish reading it. So what I'm going to do is to just sort of go through it because I know most of the things already. So I can easily read and then skip the ones that I don't need, or even just read it like a story and don't have to work on the actual problems and things inside the book because it's a bit straightforward to do that. So right now my plan is to just finish all of that quick in 1 week or two. And then I would actually continue with the main goal of trying to get very good at Java by learning the core concepts of it. There are other books that I'm looking at, but for now, I'm still going to continue with the Headfirst Java. I actually really think that this is just a personal opinion. It's not something that is generic to say that the book is not good for everyone. So I'm actually curious to see what you guys think about this book. Would you recommend this book for someone? Would you recommend it for someone like me who already know how to program and already have been programming in Java for some time now? Or would you recommend it to somebody like who I described? I want to know what you guys think. And in light of that, in terms of me trying to get very good at Java and then getting, good at the core concepts, say multi-threading or maybe how to better use a list or an array, like this kind of things that I'm talking about. What book would you recommend? What video would you recommend? I would like you guys to comment that in the comment section below so that I would also get idea of these kind of things. One book that a friend recommended is called Java. I've not had a look at it yet, but it's not like Headfirst Java. So I'm saying Headfirst Java is good, but it's just not for me.